Coming into the warehouse today, we have a 2012 Mercedes C63 AMG. We're installing a PC43.
So it was like 2017 where we went to Fantasy Motorsports. We love them. They actually recommended us to Pedal Commander, and then we didn't know what to expect. So we went to the little, it was a big car show, it was a big turnout. And then they had a little raffle, and then my dad and I were chosen to pick a number out of the basket, and we ended up picking our own number. So that's when we won our first Pedal Commander, and then after that we just fell in love with it ever since. We got one for the Lexus, we got one for the Camaro Z28, and now we're gonna try it with the C63. In eco mode in the Lexus, it definitely saves gas, and I plan on doing that with the same thing here, because this is a gas guzzler. So, I mean, hopefully everything will turn out fine.
Dope.
First, you want to make sure your car is off. Make sure your key fob is about 30 feet away. Leave your door open for about 15 minutes till the ECU shuts down completely. Next, disconnect your stock cable harness. Once you've done that, bring in the Pedal Commander, male and female plug right in.
And so you take out these two bolts, and then the pedal slides out.
And you're all set. Enjoy your new ride.
I'm gonna put it in Sport Plus right now. I'm gonna do Sport.
Are you gonna do Sport?
Yeah. Dude, I got goosebumps. Dude, it unleashes it like completely.
Yeah.
Should I turn left or right?
You can go left.
Dude. Oh, Sport Plus.
Sport Plus.
Yeah. Holy shit. Dude, it's so touchy.
That shit's quick.
Dude, that's a whole nother fucking beast. Oh my god, dude. It's crazy. Yeah, I'm glad this is the first thing I put in this car. I'm gonna do +4.
Alright.
Traction picks up a lot more now. It wouldn't before without this thing on. And this thing just wants the wheels to go.
Yeah.
That's insane. Goddamn. That's city. Whoa. It's a little bit more than normal.
Yeah.
Like it's like yeah. It saves a little bit more too. You can feel it. Like literally when you guys say like 20% throttle control, it's literally, it feels like exactly that much.
Yeah.
It's still quick, it feels really good. It feels really nice.
Like once you put it on Sport, like it's gone. You just
Not
go.
even just that, when you're in city, it gives away. Like,
Yeah.
It takes a little bit of lag away.
I feel like it takes
really good.
half the lag away, and then once you put it on Sport,
Sport Plus,
that's
yeah.
it. No
It's
lag.
like, yeah, perfect. That's how it should be. That's awesome.
Yeah?
Yeah, you could, he felt it too. It's like, without it on, and just normal, just gas pedal, there's lag once you try punching on it.
Right.
Even when you're in second or third gear
Yeah.
and you're doing a little dig. But right when you have it in Sport Plus, it literally it launches right
Just
off.
takes off.
Yeah.
I bet this thing's real fun with that thing in it.
Dude,
right
it's
now.
so much quicker. No, like it actually is. Like it makes the traction kicked on a lot more with everything on.
Nice.
Simply because it just wanted wanted to keep
wants to
going.
get
Yeah,
out,
the
just wants to
acceleration,
eat.
it's touchy. Like if you want to just give it a little tap, it's perfect.
That's awesome.
Yeah, there's no hesitation.
Nice.
Yeah,
So it's a
it's
good
perfect.
addition.
Yeah, for sure, man. That's awesome. Thank you guys so much.
Word up, man. Thank you.
Yeah,